Once upon a time, in a land of towering trees and whispering winds, a mighty mountain named Helia stood proud. Helia was known for her fiery temper, often rumbling and grumbling. One day, her anger erupted, sending ash and fire into the sky. The animals fled and the forest trembled. But amidst the chaos, a tiny seed fell into the fertile ash. As time passed, a beautiful flower bloomed, teaching the forest that from destruction comes new life. Halia learned to calm her temper, realizing her power could create beauty. And so, peace returned to the land,